Something I really like about this dent lifter is it's very easy to use. This is basically a mini bridge, so it's a very powerful collision or PDR tool. You can slide these in and out. You can angle the feet. And you can very easily change the length of the lift. Super easy. You can also extend it even past that. So you can hit dents at an angle. Like for example on this body line, oh wow, that actually worked out perfect. Let me show you here. So if I wanted, I could pull this body line and get it exactly where it needs to go. Another feature I really enjoy about it is this tab saver. So when you make the pull, if this tab comes off the panel, it's not going to fall on the ground. It's great. I'm going to make the pull just to show the power of the tool, so don't judge this repair. Oh, I should put the tab saver on. Whoa, what dent? So as you can see, that was a pretty powerful pull. Not only did it not really over pull it, but the dent's basically gone. So this was kind of a killer example. The most common question I get asked on all my reels is, what glue are you using for GPR? And this right here is our go-to glue. It is Camauto's collision glue. We love this stuff. It is a very strong glue. You will not be disappointed. Probably wouldn't recommend it if you are doing PDR because it does take the paint off sometimes. And also the metal glue as well. Both of these glues are going to give you the power that you're looking for with medium to larger dents. Like I would use this on the frame machine with one of these big boys. I can't wait. These have been sitting in my arsenal for a while now, and I'm waiting for that quarter panel that I need to save to use one of these. That's cool. I did receive the Camauto training at ABSAP in Massachusetts, and I found it very helpful with using the products and understanding the glue and the temperatures and everything that goes into it. If you're not seeing the results that you're looking for with glue pulling, I would definitely recommend taking some training. It makes a big difference.